Hello dear friends and students. I hope you're doing well. Today, you will learn about different places in a city. So let's get started. This is a library. In this place, you can borrow and read books. This is a school. Students study at school. This place is a university. This place is for higher education. This place is a cinema or a movie theater in American English. Here we watch films or movies. This is a theater. Here you can watch different types of performances such as plays, music, dance. This is a mall. In a mall, you can find a lot of shop where you can buy clothes and electronics. This is a restaurant. In a restaurant, you can order different types of food and drinks. This place is a cafe. In cafe, you can order different types of drinks: coffee, milk, and juice. This place is a swimming pool. This is a prison. This place is for criminals and law breakers. This is a police station. Here, you can report crimes. This place is a square. People hang out in a square. This place is a railway station. From here, you can take the train to travel to other cities. This is a zoo. In this place, you can see a lot of wild animals. This is a park. In a park, people hang out, do sport, or walk a dog. This is a church. This is where Christians perform their prayers. This place is a mosque. This is where Muslims perform their prayers. This is a filling station or gas station according to American English. This is a bus station. In this place, you can find buses to travel to different places. This place is a supermarket. In a supermarket you can buy food, drinks, and different types of conveniences. This is the beach. On the beach, people go for a walk, do sport, or swim if the weather is hot enough. This is a hotel. Here, you can spend your holidays in other cities or countries. This place is a market. People buy different things in this place. This is a greengrocer or fruits and vegetables store in American English. This place is a port. In a port, you can find a lot of boats and ships. This is an airport. Here you can find planes to travel to other cities or countries. This is a hospital. In a hospital, people receive medical care. This is a bakery. In a bakery, we buy bread and cakes. This place is a post office. Here you can send or receive letters and parcels. This is a pharmacy, a drugstore in American English, or a chemist. Here, people buy medicines. This is a bridge. In this place, you can go out for a walk to watch the river. Dear friends and students, the video ends here. See you soon in another video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and classmates. Goodbye.